Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations so you can start fresh. If your feed is full of stuff you're no longer interested in, this is how you clean it up. Let's get started. First, open YouTube in your browser or app and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select your data in YouTube. Now scroll down until you find a section that says Manage YouTube History. Click on it, it will take you to your activity controls. Here you'll see an option to delete your YouTube history. Click Delete and then choose Delete All Time or All History. Confirm your action and it's done. Now that your history is cleared, YouTube will stop recommending content based on your old activity. Over time, it will relearn your new preferences based on what you watch next. And that's how you reset your YouTube recommendations quick and easy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tech tip. See you in the next video.